Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Porsche 911 Carrera. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter H6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a PDK transmission. This Porsche is a steal with less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include premium package, heated front seats, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.